Transport Phenomena in Biosystem, Module 9, Thermal Conductivity and Mechanisms of Energy Transport, Segment 5, Convective Transport of Energy. With me, Yusuf from School of Life Sciences and Technology, Institute Teknologi Bandung. Previously, we have discussed about Fourier's law of heat conduction, heat conductivity, thermal conductivity of solids, and the effective thermal conductivity of composite solids. In this segment, we will discuss about convective transport of energy. In segment 1, we have discussed about Fourier's law of heat conduction, which accounts for the energy transported through a medium by virtue of the molecular motions. Energy may also be transported by the bulk motion of the fluid. Figure on the right shows three mutually perpendicular elements of area ds at point P, where the fluid velocity is v. The volume rate of flow across the surface element ds perpendicular to the x-axis is Vx ds. The rate at which energy is being swept across the same surface elements can be expressed by equation 920. The definition of the internal energy in a non-equilibrium situation requires some care. From the continuum point of view, the internal energy at position r and time t is assumed to be the same function of the local instantaneous density and temperature that one would have at equilibrium. From the molecular point of view, the internal energy consists of the sum of the kinetic energies of all the constituent atoms relative to the flow velocity v, the intramolecular potential energies, and the intermolecular energies within a small region about the point r at time t. The energy of the fluid can split into kinetic energy associated with the bulk fluid motion and the internal energy associated with the kinetic energy of the molecules with respect to the flow velocity and the intra and intermolecular potential energies. The rate at which energy is being swept through the surface elements perpendicular to the y and z axis can be expressed by convective energy flux vector as shown in equation 921. For the next segment, we will discuss about work associated with molecular motions. Until then, I am Yusuf from Institute Teknologi Bandung.